Emax Tinyhawk III RTF Kit FPV Racing Drone, ready to soar. The Emax Tinyhawk III RTF Kit is a premier FPV racing drone designed for both beginners and experienced pilots seeking high-performance agility and immersive flight experiences. With its lightweight, durable design and cutting-edge components, this ready-to-fly RTF kit ensures you're race-ready straight out of the box. Specifications at a glance. Model: Emax Tinyhawk III RTF Kit. Camera: integrated RunCam Nano 4. VTX power: adjustable 25 to 100 to 200 mW for optimal transmission. Controller: FrSky D8 transmitter with built-in DVR. Goggles: C0 FPV goggles for crystal clear visuals. Motors: Emax 15,000 kV brushless motors for rapid acceleration. Battery: 450 mAh 1S LiPo for extended flight time. Size: compact at 110mm by 110mm by 47mm. Weight: ultralight at 35 grams. Features you'll love. Performance-driven design. Equipped with a powerful F45A flight controller and high-speed 15,000 kV brushless motors, the Tinyhawk III delivers unparalleled precision and responsiveness. Crystal clear FPV experience. The integrated RunCam Nano 4 camera offers sharp, detailed visuals, allowing you to navigate with confidence. Paired with the C0 FPV goggles, you'll enjoy a seamless and immersive first-person view, elevating your racing experience. Plug-and-play simplicity. With the included FrSky D8 transmitter and pre-configured drone, this kit requires minimal setup. The transmitter's built-in DVR also allows you to record your flights, so you can review and refine your skills. Built to last. Durability meets performance with a robust design that withstands the demands of FPV racing. Whether you're practicing indoors or competing outdoors, the Tinyhawk III is engineered to handle it all. Customizable flight modes. Adjust the VTX power output to suit your racing environment and explore multiple flying modes, from beginner-friendly stability to high-octane freestyle. Why choose the Tinyhawk III? The Emax Tinyhawk III RTF Kit bridges the gap between beginner-friendly accessibility and professional-level performance. Whether you're learning the ropes of FPV racing or competing on the track, this drone delivers the power, speed, and control you need to dominate the skies. Experience the thrill of FPV racing with the Emax Tinyhawk III, your gateway to mastering the skies.